Drink up. You guys should drink up. Let's drink up, guys. Let's.
How much say cash out again?
$20 million. No be small picking money.
My sister, we don't blow.
Eh? Blow waiting. Eh? You don't blow. Who blow? Now me and you blow.
What be this? Chris go send me go abroad. Now I'm go to school.
No, bring that on come. No bring that on. My own brothers, my siblings, I never send them go abroad. Why I go send you go abroad? Now you are the marry, so why they marry here? My own siblings still there here. Why I go send you go abroad? Me go school. I brought you here to have fun.
We'll talk to your guy.
Ask your sisters. I'm taking care of her. Buy her new clothes, buy her everything. Huh? But make sure she's living fine. I'm coming, guys. I bet it's my guy. Hello, Kelechi. How far? Okay, the transaction. Another one. Okay.
Wait, sis. I not to understand this your guy. Now only so drink. They always buy for anytime when they cash out. Look at the moment he say cash out.
Brother, I'm tired myself. That's what he does all the time. Anytime he cash out, instead of to give me money to send to the family, he will take me out and buy me drink. I'm tired myself. I think I have a plan. Once we execute this plan, all the money will be ours. Once we execute this plan, all that money is mentioned will be ours.
Mina, so how? Come,
let me go.
Negative.
You guys are having fun.
Yeah.
Man. You guys should drink up. If you want more drinks, then bring drinks. Drink up. If you want more drinks, then bring more drinks. Barman, bring more drinks. Let's drink.
I'm coming. Let me.
Okay. Don't worry, I'm with you there. I deal with you. You're waiting, I will tell you.
God have mercy upon us. Waiting with that.
You say you want to travel abroad?
Yes, I want to travel abroad to go to school for a day. No, I have to.
Bring your chair, come here, man.
Fish watch and cup of tea.
See how to help you.
This is good idea.
Don't worry about that. fly you abroad. You want to go and school?
Yes, now.
That's my you will enjoy.
Nika TV.
Nika TV. Nika TV.
Say want to send me to our brother go to school. Yes.
That's a good news. What is it now? What's the problem? Are you okay? I hope you did not.
You did know what?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but you caused it.
Sorry for what?
You caused it.
What do you
Anytime
mean?
you cash out, you only take me out. You don't care if I have family. You don't care. Only drink when I'm not a drunkard. That's why I poison you. I'm sorry. I'm poison the drink.
What I have.
You don't.
Well, like, as you can see, what I've suffered for years is what I want to get for one day. I don't have anything much. I brought you guys out here to have fun, but at the end of the day, you decided to. I don't have anything to say. Sort your brother out and bury him yourself.